Hi preschoolers, this is Mrs. Allison, and we are going to do a little circle time calendar activity together. So here is our November calendar, just like we would use if we were in our room. And up here we see the word November. It starts with the letter N. And here's our year, 2020. 2020, and our name of our day today is Tuesday, November 17th. So it is Tuesday, November 17th, 2020 today. Next week we have a couple of special days. On November 25th it is Tamsin's birthday, and on Thursday, November 26th, it is Thanksgiving Day. So let's count how many days until Tamsin's birthday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 days until Tamsin's birthday. Now let's count how many days until Thanksgiving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 days until Thanksgiving Day. And Thanksgiving Day is a holiday where we get together with our families and we have a big meal, or sometimes we call it a feast, and we sometimes eat turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing, gravy, maybe some pumpkin pie or some apple pie. Those are some of the things that we might eat on Thanksgiving Day. Now we're going to take a look at some colors.
Choose a color.
So first of all, Mrs. Allison is going to choose the color blue because that is my favorite color. So let's take a look. Here we have the color blue, and down here we have 3 boxes, and we need to decide which picture is blue. Here we have a dog. Is the dog blue? No, the dog is not blue. Is the flower blue? No, you're right. The flower is pink. How about the triangle? What color is the triangle? If we look, it's the same color as up here. So it's the color
triangle.
Blue. So let's try it. Let's check our answer.
You did it! The color of the triangle is blue.
Great job. Let's try that again. All right, here we have a seal, a horse, and a robot. What color is the robot? That's right, the robot is gray, or we might call it silver. What color is the horse? Brown. And the seal. Let's try it. Let's see. I think the seal is...
Good job. The color of the seal is blue.
Great job. All right, we're going to try another color now.
Choose a color.
We are going to try the color
red.
Red. Very good. So here's our color red, and then down below we have 3 pictures. We have a heart, we have a bug or insect, and we have an oval. So which one is red? Is the heart red? No, the heart is not red, is it? It is the color pink. Is the bug red? No. The bug is black. Very good. Let's try the oval. I think the oval looks the same as our color up here. Let's check our answer.
Fantastic! The color of the oval is red.
Great. Let's try that again. All right, we have 3 more pictures. We have a cup, an elephant, and a lemon. Well, I think you all know that lemons are not red, right? Lemons are yellow. Great. And an elephant, is an elephant red? No, an elephant is gray. But what color is our cup? Our cup is red.
Cup.
Let's check our answer.
Good job. The color of the cup is red.
Great job, preschoolers. That was fun. I liked playing that game with you, and hopefully we'll be in our classroom soon so we can play this together. Thanks.